Got 3 easy deals you're gonna wanna do at Kroger right now, because I don't know if these are gonna last through tomorrow. One of these I've already done twice because it is so good. So let's talk about that one first. The 4-count cases of Poppi are buy 3, get 3 free, so pick up 6. Then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $1.50 back on 5 of them. That's $1.50 on each pack. And if you haven't hit it already, there's a $2 bonus at the bottom for doing it twice. So just for buying 6 of them, you're gonna hit that bonus. Then submit your receipt over to Fetch Rewards for $2.50 back, making each can of Poppi about 50 cents each. Next one, hopefully your store still has them in stock. It's on the stem refills, not the plugins, but the refills for the plugin. They are on sale for $6.99 each at my store, and they are part of the promotion where if you buy 2 items, you get $10 off. But it gets better. Check your Kroger account for this digital coupon. If you have done the deal I have shared on this in the past, then you're definitely going to need the refills. The last deal is on the Hammer Laundry Detergent. It goes for the liquid or the packs. I'm hearing that some people are not having luck with the purple one though. So just the blue or the free and clear. And this is on the bigger bottles, not these little ones. But they're part of that same promotion I had just talked about. So pick up one of the liquid and one of the packs and you'll save $10 for buying 2. But it doesn't stop there. Clip this digital coupon to your Kroger account, as well as this one. And there's more. Then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 back on both of those. So $6 total, making these a 2-cent moneymaker. If you're new to Ibotta or Fetch Rewards, use these codes at sign up and you'll get an extra $5 when you sign up for Ibotta and an extra $3 when you sign up for Fetch.